Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Jay and I'm working with J Media. Today I'm having a guest. She's called D and Pix. She's a photographer. I'll link her social media platform down below. Feel free to watch her content. Today we are shooting in a harsh sunlight. As you can see, we are in Kenya and it's in sub-Saharan Africa, and it has very harsh light, and today we're going to see how we can shoot with harsh lights. We have a softbox, so we're going to improvise on high speed sync. It's a topic which people really don't understand, and high speed sync allows you to darken the background while still retaining the subject in a clear way. So I'm using a softbox here and a speed light, and I'm going to take a few shots and show you how to improvise on the high speed sync. So I'm going to take some pictures first of all with the current settings. I'm using shutter speed of 200, which is typically almost every camera allows, and I'm going to shoot it with I'm using a 50mm lens, so I'm going to start with a 1.8 an aperture and then an ISO of 100 and take a fast shot and see how it goes. Of course it's going to blur out the image. Well, as you can see, the image is really blown out. So what I'm going to do, since I'm at an ISO of 100, I can't go below that point. So I will reduce the aperture, and then I'll take it at an aperture of around 5.6 and see how that goes. Well, as you can see, the image is becoming better. The background is not really blown out. But if I was to enhance the image and maybe I want it to look better, I have a chance to go and increase the light from there, or I can increase the light from here. So it's 116, so I can take it to 1.8 and see how the image will look. Of course, it's going to be more softer. So I'll take the last shot and see how that goes. If it's not the last shot, we're going to maybe improvise more. So let's see how that goes. Well, as you can see, the image is now looking better, and I'm hoping that you've learned something. It's a way, the only way you can achieve this is either by using the high speed sync, and if you can't use the high speed sync, you can just do the aperture settings by increasing the aperture or increasing the values of the aperture, the f-stop. And I'm hoping you've learned something, and if you've learned something, click subscribe, like and share. Until next time, bye bye.